Hi, my name is Klaus, Inspector. Today inspecting this VW for 2019. It is also insurance write-off, category S. Regards to bodywork, right? Also, the vehicle visually looks good. Obviously, there are a few scratches, minor things, which I'll consider in line with for the category S vehicles. However, what I don't like is obviously whole this side's been resprayed. Here has been previous damage, quite significant on this side. Right. However, obviously respray quality is good. Seller wasn't aware of the door resprays and the damage in a C-pillar. Where the damage is here, there is a hole also from the side where they've been trying to push it out. There's quite a significant amount of filler used, so the paint chips has been sprayed, but the quarter panel haven't been replaced, right? So there's evidence of the door removals too. Etc. on this rear right door. There are obviously marks, wear marks, as insurance write-off you will have them. So as this side, this section has quite a lot of filler used to repair it. So also there is a seal damage and it repair, as you can see, excessive fillers used. Obviously, that's the repairs are not manufactured standard. They never will be on insurance write-off. There's gap issues here. Again, there's a seal damage around here. You can see they used the filler. That's fallen off. There's slight damage on a very fine damage on a seal behind this tray wheel liner. It's good tires. Worn brake discs, but with fairly new pads. And another thing what I don't like is the gap issue, as this side is narrower than on the other side and this is wider than on the other side. So there is something I don't like with the subframe, right? And it needs further investigation. Also, that will affect the caster as the caster is pushed in. The bonnet replaced, not resprayed. Also, like I said, all this side resprayed. Visual standard, quite good. Also, they are obviously not great repairs, but you will not get better repairs on insurance write-offs. And this is not straight and not lining up. But that will call it satisfactory. This one needs to be repaired and addressed. Regards to interior, all the seat belts has been replaced. The 2017 model seat belt, the stamped on a seat belt itself. So yeah, that's the vehicle. Always it has only one or two services, and then the seller have done recent service on this vehicle. So I'm going to go for the road test. Any drivability issues I will add it in a report. Also, there is reason to reject as it's insurance write-off, but we'll leave you to decide, and you can call me once you review the report. Thanks for using us.